Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix mobile view on WordPress. Now this problem is very common, like if mobile view doesn't show like full banner or doesn't show certain elements. This video is for you. I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to go to your site. Okay, so I'm going to click here on view site and it's going to take me, guys, to the website, as you can see here. Now what you guys need to do is you want to click here, it says edit site, as you can see. You want to click on that, and after that it's going to take you guys to WordPress theme editor. Now you can make multiple changes to the mobile view, but first you will have to click here. It says this icon here, this laptop icon in the top right, as you can see. You want to click on that, and you can either change it to tablet or mobile view. As you can see, I'm going to select here mobile, and as you can see, this is exactly how it's going to look like on mobile view, as you can see on phones. Now you can make multiple changes. For example, if you want to if the text is too big, you can just change it to smaller text, or you can just change the font. For example, you can make it like bigger. As you can see, you can make a certain text bigger, as you can see, if it doesn't look good on mobile view. You can also make changes to anything here. You can also, like, for example, insert like a link. Okay, you can search here for like URL here, as you can see, link in bio or something like that. Now you can also make changes to the banner. Okay, so if you click here on banner, you can change it. Okay, you can, for example, replace your old banner with a new one. For example, you can also change the background. As you can see here, you can change the background. As you can see, if you click here on replace, you can change the background to a background that will fit like a mobile. Okay, that will fit mobiles. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to start with text. Like if the text doesn't look good on mobile view, you can also use the AI new technology, which like every company now is using. You just need to click on the text, and after that you want to click this AI icon here, and then you can also make this text shorter, or you can expand the text. As you can see, you can simplify the text. You can also correct spelling and grammar. Now I'm going to click here on make shorter, and as you can see, it's going to make a shorter. As you can see, you have like, as it's just wait a few seconds. As you can see, it will make the text shorter here on mobile view. Okay, so that's exactly, as you can see, shop our new collection on Etsy. Okay, so you can also make changes, for example, to the text, any text here. You can also insert a video here if you want to do that. You can add the video to the mobile view. As you can see, I'm going to click here and I'm going to click on footer. You can also make changes to footer. You can click on edit, and you will be able to edit anything you want on footer, like the text. You can also edit the background color. Okay, so you can also, like, for example, like create pattern, like or like, for example, lock this. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how you can do this. You can also, guys, change the site logo. If the logo looks too big on mobile view, then what you guys need to do is you want to click first, like I said, you just need to change this to, for example, tablet or mobile. Now in this case, I'm going to change it to mobile in case your website has a logo. You just need to click on these three little lions here in the top left, and then you can click on site logo, and you can replace the logo. Okay, you can click here on replace, or you can change it, or you can also generate a new logo with AI. And you can also like make it smaller. Okay, you can also change like you can move it to anywhere you want. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this. This is how it's going to look on the, of course this is not a logo, this is just an example. This is exactly how it's going to look on mobile. Okay, you can also make it bigger if you want, or whatever. Okay, you can also insert a video here if you want to do that. You can just upload a video here from your own desktop, or you can insert a video from YouTube. But this is like a premium feature. Okay, you will have to upgrade to premium to use this like premium block, as you can see here. Now after you are done, guys, what you guys need to do, you can also click here on this plus button here, and you can also add multiple things here to the mobile view. For example, you can add the video, cover, image, gallery, like audio. As you can see, multiple things here. You can just choose anything you want here, and you can add this to your widgets. You can also add different widgets like page list, shortcode, WordPress, like icon, latest comments. You can add terms list, as you can see. So you can make multiple changes here. Now after you are done, make sure you click on save in the top right and click again on save, so that you can save your changes. So hopefully this tutorial guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, and see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.